The cold chain that is required to maintain this vaccine and store it until the point of delivery requires us to maintain minus 60 to minus 80 degrees. It is true we have technology today to maintain that in the field, but it still remains a challenge.
Well, the biggest challenge in this response is that we now know that we have suspected cases in an urban centre in the Democratic Republic of Congo. In the past, in most of the Ebola outbreaks in DRC, it's been rural and fairly self-limited, but now we know that populations of more than 1 million are at risk.
Deux pavillons ici. Ça servait des urgences pour l'hôpital. Nous venons de dégager pour.
We will have to bring that behavior back in washing hands with chlorine, in taking temperature in schools, in public places, in health centers, everywhere basically. I mean, we have to convince the people to fight Ebola.